All right, we're here at 2457 Glencoe Avenue here in Venice. So we've started off by running our camera from a clean house, a 4-inch clean house located behind the main house, just by the water heater shed. And this actually goes underneath this unit at the back and goes to the alley in the back. That's where the city sewer goes, connects to the city sewer. And right now we're actually at the connection to the city sewer. Right over there is the city connection right there. So this kind of dives down quite drastically with a very good grade. You can see it going downhill. You've got some some clay piping as it comes back to cast the iron piping. Like right over here. And if you go into the alley at the back, you can actually see the cast iron pipe coming up out of the ground. It's very old, the cast iron pipe. Looking at the outside, it was very, very rusty. Now, we're here checking the main sewer line. We obviously cannot check every pipe in the house, but we can tell you by just looking what we saw is obviously this cast iron's getting old. Now, it is functioning, no doubt about it. You can see the water flowing. There's been a lot of water flowing through here, and it's traveling pretty good. You see the cast iron definitely getting old.
Those are just cobwebs.
And those are just cobwebs that you see over there, not roots. Obviously the cast iron does have some rust build-up, but you see the water flowing pretty good. It's obviously getting old. Now right over here, it becomes a cured-in-place pipe lining. And this lining over here looks like it's in pretty good condition at this time. Now one thing I can tell you though, if you ever have a blockage underneath a building, you never want to run a cable with a blade through this lining because you can definitely damage what I would probably recommend if you're going to remodel this house for any reason, it's best to replace all the plumbing because it's very old. So we're going to pause the recording and Alex is going to get up on the roof, see if he can run the camera through a roof vent so we can check the main line going underneath the main house to the outside. Okay, running the camera from the roof vent. We've come outside the 4-inch roof vent. Here's the clean out. And then what happens is it starts to come underneath the main house. You can see they shot a lining in both directions. So we highly recommend that you be very careful how you clean this line in case it ever blocks up.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
Good. You're early.
Yes.
Good.
Okay, so here it comes now up the roof vent. Alex, is there anything else?
Another 2-inch roof vent here.
All right, you want to put it down the 2-inch roof vent? No, it won't go. Okay, so we'll go ahead, stop the recording.